So welcome back, guys. We are looking at the Ford Powershift automatic transmission today. This one has come in because they're struggling to do the adaptations that you have to do when you first put it back in the car. So we're going to take a look, see what's up with it. Doesn't seem too much at the minute, but we'll find out when we get deeper into it. So when we get one of these boxes and we don't know what's wrong with it, we'll start by taking off the valve body. Then we will move on to removing the clutch cover. Then we'll look at the dual mass flywheel and the clutch. This clutch seems to be leaking, so Dan will take it apart and inspect further. As you can see here, the clutch that has been put in as a replacement has had all the surfaces just ground with a grinder by the looks of it, and the friction discs are thinner than would be preferred for one of these. So we're going to get that all rebuilt, get it put back in and go from there. So you see, these clutches were suboptimal, so we've replaced them with some that are actually thick enough. So it's been fixed, put back in the gearbox and sent back to the customer.